Once all employees have been paid, the period can be closed. To do this, click on the Go to Period Completion button. The system checks if relevant data is missing. In our example, there is missing data from Carrie, who is going to enter in the company. We set this to irrelevant as Carrie has no salary in the current period. Then go back to Go to Period Completion. Documents are now being generated. This may take a moment. Recap, payslips, accounting documents and reports for ELM transmission, such as withholding tax reports, are created automatically in the right format. Finally, close the period definitively to transmit the data in compliance with Swissdec. The data is transferred in the background, and the new period is opened. Here, the history of closed reporting periods can also be viewed. The reports are stored per calculated month. The documents are stored on company and employee level as well.